following provides important winter weather information for the following counties in Michigan, Gogebic, and Ontonagon. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 10 inches. Where? Ontonagon and Gogebic counties. When? From 7 a.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impact. Travel will be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning and evening commute. Additional details. Lake effect snow showers will develop early Wednesday morning and continue into the afternoon. Additional headlines may be needed on Wednesday.